South Korea is one of the safest and most peaceful countries in the world.
People live their lives without having to worry about shootings, terrorism, or robberies because these things almost never happen. This nation of 51 million people has an extremely low crime rate and a very strict gun policy. Back when I lived in Seoul, I used to always keep my door unlocked and walk the streets alone at night. Okay, so here you can see the bikes. They're not even locked up. Anybody is free to come and take them away. The police don't even carry guns because they don't need them. In South Korea, a killing or a murder happens once in a blue moon. Even petty theft isn't common here, at least not by a Korean. If you get robbed or scammed, it'll likely be from a tourist or an expat.
So just to prove to you how safe it is,
yes, it's very safe in Korea.
I'm gonna do a few social experiments so you can see the truth. I just bought this women's purse, shoved it full of items, and we're gonna leave it on the metro and see how long it stays there before someone grabs it. We waited an hour on the metro and nobody took it, so now we're gonna put it on the ground at this busy station. So we just followed that lady for 5 minutes and she returned the purse to the lost and found, and that just shows how respectful Korean people are. It doesn't even cross their mind to steal, and I don't think any other country in the world is on this level of safety except for maybe Japan and Taiwan. I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.